Guys, here's a piece of an iron-on that I picked up at Walmart. I don't know if you remember a few weeks back we used it on some fabric, and I picked up this wooden heart from Michaels. It was $2.99, and be sure to grab your 50% off coupon. And I basically traced it on this piece of buffalo plaid iron-on, and I am now cutting it out with a pair of scissors. And then I basically applied it to the top of the wood using an iron. This was my first time doing this, and it applied quite nicely. The second heart, which was a little darker and slightly bigger, I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and that was $6.99. And again, be sure you get your 50% off coupon. And I basically just hot glued it to each other. The one larger heart already had a hanger on it. Then I picked up this napkin ring. It was $2.99, 50% off. And it looked like a little tiny wreath. And I hot glued that to the front. And I took a small red ribbon and made a single bow. And added it to the small wreath with some glue. And that's basically it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go check out our YouTube channel and subscribe if you want to check out some other tutorials. And thank you for watching.